I don't reach out, I don't explain. I let the distance keep the pain. Some feelings learn to stay unheard. Some goodbyes don't need the word. I love you best by letting go. I'm still loving you in silence, from a place you'll never see. Come back to me. I hold your smile like a promise. I keep your name when no one knows. Loving you means losing you. I love you quietly alone. Watch you heal from far away, and pray you're happier you'd stay. I learned some love is meant to stay, and memories we never say. I just stayed when love was born. Some hearts don't stop when others do. I'm still loving you in silence, without hope, without a sign. I don't need your arms around me, just knowing you're right. I folded all my dreams in two, and left the better half with you. If my love is never known, I'll keep it quiet, I'll keep it whole. Baby, love is learning when to stay, and learning when to walk away. If hurting less is letting go, and this is how I love you more. I'm still loving you in silence, when I find this peace inside. I don't need to cross your doorstep just to know I tried. If love was sealed, it doesn't fade. It just changes shape with time. I love you loud, I love you true. Now I love you quietly, and I'm fine. I let you go without goodbye. still loving you just now.